Hi, dear students. Welcome to Intermediate Writing with course code FSSI 4104. My name is Dr. Risa Mufliarsi, MPD, as your tutor in this semester. I'm delighted to have you in this course and look forward to supporting your development as confident and effective writers. In this course, we will focus on strengthening your ability to express ideas clearly, coherently, and critically in written English. You will engage with various types of text, develop your writing skills, and practice organizing arguments with clarity and precision. There are some materials that we will learn. They are people's characters and appearances, writing personal letters, writing business letters, topic sentence, paragraph development, and essay writing, narrative stories, developing stories from thesis statement, comparative, writing paragraph development, and writing cause and effect essays. I encourage you to actively participate in discussions in session 1, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And don't forget to complete your assignments in session 3, 5, and 7. Make the most of every learning opportunity. So please feel free to reach out whenever you need guidance or clarifications in my email. So class, let's work together to make this a productive and rewarding learning experience. Good luck, class.